friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the MI 11X device. Is it worth of buying right now for the 24,000 rupees or not? That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. And the main reason is because I'm getting plenty of comments on this particular MI 11X device. Right now in the Flipkart it's available for about 24,694, 6GB RAM variant in the Flipkart. And if you use the Axis Bank credit card from the Flipkart, you can actually get 5% unlimited cashback, so that you can actually decrease more, maybe 1,200 something, around close to that. You can actually reduce that kind of price. That's a kind of really good deal, friends, for in terms of the MI 11X device. But let's see overall, in my opinion, what is my review about MI 11X device. In short, I'll try to inform you. So one thing in terms of the performance wise, the MI 11X is very solid performance, and I mean in terms of the optimization and everything. But only one thing is that the MIUI recently it got updated with the enhanced update. So after the MIUI enhanced update, I did see a lot of optimization has been done in terms of the RAM management and everything. So regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game, right now we cannot play at 90 FPS. Of course, that's a kind of a drawback. But if you want to root and if you want to do some kind of bootloader unlocking and if you want to install custom ROMs, then this will be the really best advantage, because the MI 11X perform as a beast. If you use the Pixel ROM on OnePlus ROM, if you use it in this phone, that works fantastic. I'll try to do another video as well later on, if possible. I'll try to install and I'll try to show you. But in the performance segment, for this kind of price, 24,000 rupees, it's absolutely beast. Snapdragon 870 chipset you are getting in the MI 11X device. So next, regarding the display. So regarding the display, there's some kind of mixed feelings. The main reason is because few of the users are actually facing the green tint issues and black color getting crushed issue, which is going on in MI 11X device. So as soon as you buy the phone, try to check for those kind of issues. So overall, in my experience, I did face the green tint issue and black color crush issue as well. That is the reason I'm trying to mention you before you actually buy it. But display wise, it was completely fine, no issues. The saturation and contrast, everything is completely good, not a problem. Camera wise is another biggest disappointment in this MI 11X device. So just try to check if the Flipkart ratings or maybe Amazon ratings. You will definitely understand it's an average camera in the MI 11X device. That's what you should definitely understand. Keep in mind before you actually buy this phone. The camera wise, slightly kind of average. And some people, they do like it, some people they don't like it. It's their kind of personal opinion. But for me, out of 5 rating, I'll try to give 3.5 star in this MI 11X device. So regarding the battery and the charging, so with the latest MIUI enhanced update, the battery backup slightly got better, but some of the users are actually informing it's not that great. So we can expect the battery life kind of close to 5 to, I think not 5, maybe 6 hours of screen on time is possible in this device. Charging time takes about close to 55 minutes of charging time in the MI 11X smartphone. In the connectivity wise, so there are only 2 5G bands. That's another disadvantage at this point. 4G plus, perfectly fine. Wi-Fi, very strong. No issues with the connectivity, but 5G is only 2 bands available. That is also another thing you should definitely remember before you actually buy it. So build quality wise, it's fantastic, friends. I don't have any issues with the build quality in this MI 11X device. Not a problem. And we do have the really good speakers. That's also fantastic. And side mounted fingerprint scanner. There is no in-display fingerprint scanner. And there is no 3.5mm jack as well. That's another slightly kind of drawback. And small punch hole, which is very good. So that's what I did like, favorite thing, small punch hole. And next is regarding the UI and software updates. Of course, with the UI, we do know about the MIUI software updates. So we'll be getting the 2 Android updates as well for the MI 11X device. But in case if you want to use any kind of custom ROMs, you can definitely use them, because there are a lot of multiple options available for the MI 11X device. So basically, this hardware is really powerful, but the software needs to be optimized a lot. If you don't like, you can do the bootloader unlocking and you can install different custom ROMs if you know how to do that. And for this kind of price, it's very worth to buy the Snapdragon 870. If you know custom ROMs how to install, then definitely this is the best option right now you can get. And if you want to sacrifice the camera and not much 5G bands, these are the 2 major disadvantages, and green tint and black crush issue as well. That's it, friends. It's a quick review, and now I'm giving chance for you to decide whether to buy you or not, depending upon this positives and negative things as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I think I did give all the information whatever necessary in the short amount of time. And Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS still not yet updated in this phone. So maybe the Snapdragon 870 need to be optimized. So it's the same problem with the iQOO 7 and other phones as well. So stay tuned for those videos. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And for this kind of price, 24,000, it's kind of okay deal, I would say, for this kind of performance. And only drawback is the camera. So camera is the one. And the MIUI, if you're okay with the MIUI, you can definitely use that. If you're not okay, you can do the bootloader unlocking and try to install the custom ROM, and this phone will be the really perfect after you do that. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.